You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. We're going to look at the specific pronunciation. There are different ways of pronouncing it, but the most common one, at least in English, is as Elyssa, Elyssa. Some may pronounce it as Elyssa, but that'd be pretty rare. Some may say it also as Elyssa, but that's also pretty rare. Elyssa is generally how it's said, with a stress on the second syllable. How do you pronounce it? Do you pronounce it this way? Let me know in the comments, or any other way. Let us know. Let everybody know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.